Hi, everybody. I'm Rob Massa. I'm the Managing Director of Qualified Plan Advisors in Houston, Texas. I'm also known as the Retirement Pro, the 401k Guru, or the Foracle. And I want to welcome you once again to my blog. Today, I want to talk to you about something you may not yet have heard about, but it may affect your 2020 income tax return. It's called the Recovery Rebate Credit, and this may be a great little bonus you have coming to you at tax time. You see, many U.S. workers who made more than a predetermined amount in 2019 were either ineligible for a stimulus payment or they got a stimulus payment, but it was only a partial amount. However, if your income dropped in 2020 as a result of the pandemic, you may now be able to claim that check in the form of a refundable tax credit. See, if you recall, under the CARES Act, Americans were eligible to get a full stimulus check if your 2019 tax return you reported an adjusted gross income of up to $75,000 for single filers or those married but filing separately, up to $112,500 for those who are filing as head of household, or up to $150,000 if you were married and filing a joint return. However, you weren't eligible for a stimulus payment if you made more than $99,000 as a single filer or those married but filing separately, more than $136,500 for those filing as head of household, or more than $198,000 if you were married and filing a joint tax return. Of course, if your income fell between these numbers somewhere, you probably got a partial stimulus check. Well, here's the good news. If your adjusted gross income fell in 2020 to levels that would have made you otherwise eligible for a partial or a full stimulus payment, you can now claim a tax credit on line 30 of Form 1040 for 2020 and get up to a $1,200 tax credit for those married filing separately, those who are filing single, or those filing head of household, and up to a $2,400 credit if you are married and filing a joint return. Plus, you get an additional $500 tax credit for each qualifying child. Understand, if you got a partial credit and you're now eligible for more credits, it will reduce what you got as a credit. I'd like to thank you for visiting my blog today. I hope that you found the latest installment useful. If this is your first visit, please check out some of my other content on YouTube channel. Like it and share it too. If you need more information or assistance on any retirement plan related matter, contact me on LinkedIn by clicking on the QR code right here, or email me at rmass@qualifiedplanadvisors.com. And as always, I'm wishing all of you a successful retirement. Thank you.